L&T Sufin makes selling effortless. Manage requests, share codes, find logistics partners, and handle dispatches, all while staying aligned with buyer-agreed payment terms. All of this with just a few clicks. Greetings everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through how a seller manages a buyer's requisition, step by step, all the way to the final dispatch. Let's consider safety shoe as the item being transacted in this video. Let's begin. Once the buyer asks for a quote for the safety shoes, then based on the buyer's request, the seller shares a quote for safety shoes. To check the RFQ received from the buyer, you can either go to Manage your RFQ or click on the notification icon. From the drop-down menu, select the Received RFQ. Here you'll find three categories: pending, submitted, and expired RFQs. Now to submit your quote to the buyer, go to the Pending RFQ tab and click View Details. Here you can check the safety shoes requirement details, which comprises color, insole material, size, upper material, toe type, model, remarks, quantity required, expected delivery date, ship to, and payment terms as shown on the screen. Here, the seller can proceed with the buyer's specification. If those can't be met, they can use the existing catalog specification or edit them to better match the buyer's need. To get an estimated logistics cost, click Check Sufin Logistics Price. In the pop-up window, choose the appropriate SKU ID from the drop-down. Enter the delivery PIN code, pickup PIN code, number of packages along with their dimensions, then wait. Click Get Rate to generate the estimated logistics price. Next, return to the main RFQ page. Now, here the seller can add the delivery price, also referred to as the landing price. Landing price is the delivery price including logistics cost. The delivery price consists of three components: base price, packaging price, and logistics price. Now, add the GST and price validity date. Enter the number of days required for delivery after receiving the order. Likewise, updates the Ex-Works price. Ex-Works price is the delivery price minus the logistics cost. Now add the GST and the number of days required to keep shipment ready after receiving the order. Finally, click Submit. Your RFQ response to the buyer has now been successfully submitted. The buyer evaluates the offer from the seller based on the quotation received. Once the buyer accepts the quote, an order is placed. If advance payment is required, the buyer makes it at this stage. The seller then receives an order confirmation via email and WhatsApp. The seller will prepare the dispatch of safety shoes to the buyer. Now, for the selected product, go to Manage Product Orders and open the Active Products tab. Click View Details to review all order information before finalizing it. The seller can view detailed product specifications before proceeding. Through the Download Document link, the seller can download the purchase order if it was uploaded by the buyer while placing the order. Next, tick the checkbox and select Prepare for Dispatch. In the pop-up window, choose your logistics partner, then click Proceed. Step 1. Select the expected pickup date and delivery date, then click Save to continue. Step 2. Click Choose Billing Address and select the address type: business address or factory address. Choose your preferred address and confirm. Next, select your bank account, confirm the details, and click Submit. The product is now ready for dispatch. The seller should prepare the consignment for dispatch and wait for the buyer's second tranche of payment. Now, the buyer makes the second tranche of payment. The seller dispatches the safety shoes. Once the buyer makes the payment, the seller instantly receives a notification to begin the dispatch process. Go to your profile and from the drop-down menu, click Manage Product Orders. Next, open the Active Product tab and click View Details. To upload the tax invoice, click on Upload Tax Invoice. In the pop-up, enter your invoice number and invoice date. Upload the invoice and hit Submit. You've now successfully uploaded your invoice. Now, to add your shipment dispatch details, go to Is Shipment Dispatched? Enter the dispatch date, transporter name, tracking number, and tracking URL. Then click Submit. Once the product has been dispatched, go to Is Shipment Delivered to add your delivery details. Enter the delivery date, delivery number, and upload the proof of delivery. Proof of delivery is the buyer's confirmation that the consignment has been received in order. It can be in the form of an acknowledged proof of delivery document. Then click Submit. That's it. Now here you can check the payment status of the safety shoes. The buyer confirms the receipt of the safety shoes and makes the final payment. Sufin will now transfer the sale proceeds received from the buyer to the seller's registered bank account. Transactions are now simple and seamless between a buyer and seller on L&T SuFin.